Beyond the edge of modern Cairo, where the desert begins to rise from the Nile Valley,
stands one of the most extraordinary places ever created by human civilization, the Giza Pyramid Complex. For more than 4,000 years, these monuments have watched over Egypt. Today, we walk through the ancient world of the pharaohs. Our journey begins at the entrance of the Giza Plateau, a place that has inspired explorers, historians, archaeologists, and travelers for centuries. As we move forward across the desert pathways, the first pyramid slowly reveals itself against the horizon. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu. Built around 2560 BCE during the 4th dynasty of ancient Egypt, it remains the oldest and largest of the 3 Great Pyramids of Giza. We stop to buy some scarf or smug as souvenir and to support local business. Today, the precision of its construction continues to amaze engineers and researchers around the world. Contrary to popular myths, modern archaeological discoveries suggest the pyramids were not built by slaves, but by skilled workers who lived in organized communities near the construction site. Workers, craftsmen, engineers, and laborers working together under the blazing Egyptian sun to create a monument designed to last for eternity. Surrounding the Great Pyramid were temples, ceremonial pathways, smaller queens' pyramids, and burial chambers for nobles and members of the royal court. As we walk closer, the immense size of the limestone blocks becomes impossible to ignore. The entire Giza complex functioned as a vast spiritual and ceremonial center. The pyramids were therefore more than royal tombs. The Giza Plateau itself was carefully chosen. Located on the western side of the Nile River, it symbolized the land of the dead, where the sun disappeared each evening. As we walk deeper into the complex, the silence of the desert creates a strange sense of timelessness. Every structure here was connected to that spiritual belief. Visitors stop quietly to admire the scale of the monuments surrounding them. It becomes easy to forget the modern world beyond the plateau. Some stand in silence, overwhelmed by the realization that these structures have survived for nearly 45 centuries. Standing here today, it is remarkable to think how many generations have gazed upon this same face across thousands of years. Throughout history, the pyramids fascinated travelers from every era. Ancient Greek historians wrote about them. Medieval explorers crossed deserts to witness them. Although centuries have passed since those words were spoken, the feeling remains the same. There's something deeply humbling about standing before monuments so ancient and enduring. Hidden beneath the shadows of the pyramids lies another remarkable part of ancient Egypt, the tomb complex of the Giza Pyramid. While the Great Pyramids were built for pharaohs, the surrounding tombs belonged to nobles, priests, officials, royal family members, and elite workers who served the ancient Egyptian kingdom. These tombs, known as mastabas, were carefully constructed using limestone and arranged in organized cemeteries around the pyramids. Their remains, tools, and living quarters changed modern understanding of pyramid construction forever. Not only of kings and pharaohs, but of the people who built, served, protected, and lived within ancient Egypt's extraordinary world. Beneath the towering pyramids, these forgotten tombs remain silent witnesses to a civilization that still fascinates humanity thousands of years later. Stepping inside the ancient pyramid feels like entering another world. The moment the narrow passage begins, the noise from outside disappears, replaced only by silence, footsteps, and the sound of breathing within the stone. Bent low beneath the ancient limestone ceiling, every step forward feels like moving deeper into history itself. These passageways were built more than 4,000 years ago, designed to protect the sacred chambers hidden deep inside the pyramid. It is difficult to imagine how ancient builders created such precise internal structures using only the tools of their time. Inside the ancient burial chamber, surrounded by enormous stone blocks, there is an overwhelming sense of scale and history. Tombs were filled with carvings, inscriptions, statues, food offerings, and scenes from daily life, intended to guide and support the deceased in the afterlife. As we walk through the tomb complex, detailed wall carvings begin to appear across the stone chambers. Some tombs still preserve traces of original colors, surviving despite centuries of desert heat and time. These artworks provide an extraordinary glimpse into the lives of ancient Egyptians thousands of years ago. Standing here today is more than visiting an archaeological site. It is a rare chance to experience the hidden interior of one of humanity's greatest ancient achievements. Enduring symbols of human ambition, creativity, engineering, and belief. And perhaps that is why the Giza Pyramid Complex continues to inspire such wonder today. As the sun slowly lowers across the desert horizon, warm golden light begins to illuminate the pyramids once more. We will continue our journey throughout more Egyptian pyramids in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in part 2.